Hello, me again for another unboxing. It's a big one too, another big one. So this one comes from Raphael. And Raphael's stuff, anytime he sells something, it's an automatic buy. Because, like I say, you don't get a lot of quality like that. Gosh, what's the best way to open this sucker? It looks like there's a point over here. Point over here, maybe. Yes, no, maybe yes. All right, how many things did I get? Well, as many as my collection needs, which is probably a whole lot. Okay, what is through these doors? A lot of wrapping. Oh my gosh. And I think we got it all. Yes, okay. So let's take a look. So we have a couple puzzles, and we got a couple stickers for these couple of puzzles, and we've got some fabric. All right. So let's see. Oh, we got a note. Merci beaucoup, John. Okay. Cool. It is Raphael. So we're in for a treat. At least I'm in for a treat, and you get to see me being in for a treat. Okay, so where do I start? I'll start with the smallest, or what appears to be the smallest, which might not be the easiest. Okay, so what is this guy here? Very carefully dissect through the fascia layer here, getting through the muscularis, and getting into the deep tissue for a core biopsy. Aha! This is a gear puzzle. Oh, I can't tell you how nice this looks. So, so I've got a couple of gear puzzles, but this is a blooming gear or something like that. So let's see how this moves. Perfect. Wow. So I'm going to be curious to see how this is different from. Okay, so it does something similar. If it's the same kind of a structure as the other gear puzzles, it looks like we have pretty much a similar kind of a thing, unless do we have another avenue of turning. This turns here. I'm seeing a line across here. Does this turn here? No. Let's see, is it like a mix-up kind of a thing? Okay, so maybe it's the fact that it's 90-degree turns? No? Okay, I'm going to look at this. I think maybe this is the crux of it, but maybe there's more to it than that, because it seems like there's a little bit more to turn. I'm seeing a line through here, almost like this can turn here somehow. All right. What do you do? So it seems like I should be able to aha! There it is. Alright, there is that Raphael genius. Now can I do a turn like this and continue? I don't want to force nothing. I don't want to force nothing. But, okay, wow. Fantastic. Okay, I don't want to scramble it as of yet. Hopefully that's not what I did. Anyway, so, okay, phew. All right, perfect. So this really adds on to that. So it's a 2x2 gear cube hybrid. That's fantastic. All right, Raphael, never cease to amaze me. All right, I'm already incredibly satisfied with what I've got here. Okay, what else we got? So that's Bloomy Gears, I think. So what are you? Surgical precision, we dissect through. What do we got here? What are we extracting? Oh, yeah, all right. So this is Dodecahedron. It's a master version as this moves and this moves. So I think this is what you'd call a ripple dodecahedron. And this might be the Ripple Dodecahedron Plus. So, a Ripple Dodecahedron. So we've got these moves over here. Okay, and then I can do deeper moves over here. Okay, excellent. Great quality as always. So this turns here. I feel like there's even more turns that can happen somehow. This turns over here. Now I think I have the ripple cube as well. So this represents the ripple cube plus. Okay, so that's this guy over here. And let's see what else we've got. Okay, so once again, this moves over here. Just gotta line it up here. Oh, there we go. This can move over here. All right, so this will be a lot of fun figuring out algorithms and how to solve this wonderful puzzle. Okay, next, let's delve into what? Where shall we go next? Let's do this guy. All right, with bated breath, I proceed forward. I sally forth. Okay, I remember this guy. So this one is not a puzzle to avoid, but it is a void. So this is, let's see, what do we got? Well, it's a void puzzle. And let's see how it turns. Okay, it looks like a void icosahedron. So this is an icosahedron and moves absolutely incredible. Alright, so this one will also be a lot of fun. Okay, now we're going to do the final one here. Okay, now this one just looks insane. How do you even wrap your head around something like this? So here's a turn over here. So it is a corner turning type puzzle. Also an icosahedron. Is this a master version of something? It must turn some other way. Let's see what we got. Well, we have, okay, we've got a couple overlapping. So we got a face turn over here and a face turn over here. So this is it purely a face turner or do, nope, we have corner. So this is a face turning and corner turning icosahedron. So maybe we're dealing with like an Iton star. It's got some of those type of cuts, but it's a face turning, corner turning icosahedron puzzle. So a lot of time figuring this one out, I would imagine. Wow. So here's a corner turn, then you can dive into a face turn. And what makes Raphael's puzzles so pleasurable is the fact that they're so playable. You're not struggling with the turns. I'm just going to break this in a little bit. Any other turns aside from corner turning? What about edge turning? No. No, not quite. Wow. Okay, so some more gems from Raphael, as I'm going to get an entire section of my collection purely in honor of such a fantastic puzzle designer. Anyway, so there you have it. The bloomy gears, the face-turning void icosahedron, the ripple dodecahedron plus, and this face-turning, corner-turning icosahedron hybrid. Wow, hours and hours of joy. Thanks for watching.